Friend, in previous video we already discussed about what are the types of inversion of a 4 bar chain. So as you know that there are three different types of 4 bar chain: inversion of 4 bar chain, beam engine, that means crank and lever mechanism, and second one coupling rod of locomotive, that is also called as double crank mechanism, and third one watt indicator mechanism. So as per your syllabus only there are two types for your syllabus: beam engine and coupling rod of locomotive. So let us start to discuss about what is a beam engine. See, you can observe the diagram. This is the 4 bar beam engine. It may also called as crank and lever mechanism. The beam consists of 4 links as shown in figure. That is, in this mechanism, one crank AB rotates about a fixed point A, and the lever CDE oscillates about a fixed point, that is D. The end E of the lever CDE is connected to a piston. Okay, piston rod. It is a piston rod, and which reciprocates in the cylinder to the crank rotation. The main purpose of this mechanism is to convert the rotary motion into reciprocating motion. Here I would like to show some simple animations of beam engine. See, you can observe the animation videos of beam engine. See, it is a cutted portion of piston cylinder arrangement where the piston will be reciprocating inside the engine cylinder. Okay, this piston rod is connected to the lever, right? So this is the lever. One end is connected to the piston rod and another is connected to the crank. Thus when the crank start to rotate, what will happen? The link 3 is also oscillate with the lever. I hope that you are understanding about how does the beam engine work, right? And let us to discuss about next second one, coupling rod of mechanism. Coupling rod of a locomotive. It may also called as a double crank mechanism. See, you can observe the diagram. The mechanism of a coupling rod of a locomotive is also known as a double crank mechanism, and it consists of 4 links as shown in figure. See, in this mechanism, the link AD, right, and the link BC have equal length and or act as a crank, right? These cranks are connected to their respective wheels. The link CD, right, act as a coupling rod between the two cranks, right? The link AB, this is the A and this is the B. The links AB is fixed in order to maintain the constant center to center distance between the wheels. So this mechanism is used for transmitting the rotary motion from one wheel to another wheel. So this is the one wheel and another, this is second wheel. So this mechanism is used for transmitting the rotary motion from one wheel to another wheel. Okay, here also I would like to show videos of animation. See, this is the locomotive mechanism in version of a 4-bar chain. So it consists of two equal diameter crank, right? Both cranks are connected by the rod. Okay, and the blue color plane, so that is called as a connecting rod. You can see here, this is the connecting rod, it is in blue color, and these two are a crank which is fixed to the rod. You can see the animation videos of a coupling rod of a locomotive. See, this mechanism is mainly used for transmitting the one wheel motion to another wheel. Its motion for both wheels remains the same in direction and same speed. So the main application of this locomotive uh, mechanism, especially in train, or it may also called as a locomotive. Dear student, I hope understood these two types of inversion of 4-bar chain. So these two types are is for your syllabus of DT board, right? So remaining I will explain in next class. Thank you.